a review on Safe Club and all the savings and all the benefits you get with me. So let me show you that now. Since we're talking about saving money, let's go to my deals. Look, there's over 1 million places you can save money on. You can save on your dining, on movies, on services for your automobile and so on, beauty shops, and on hotels and air travel. That's where you really save a lot of money on travel. So let's go back into the system again. And if you want to download this on your cell phone, you just go there for your download your mobile app. And here it shows you more about travel. And if you go here, it shows you all your own info. And if you go here, it shows you all your order history. And if you go here, it'll show you all the people that are on your team. And here it'll show you all referrals. And once you click on referrals, after you start advertising, you click on referrals, you'll get an email and a phone number with each one. So you have all the information you need to follow up. I always follow up because people usually want to ask you questions or want some more information. So it's entirely up to you if you want to follow up or not, but I think it's a good idea. Then here shows you who your enrollers, but you should know that already. Then if you go to webinars, now we have 3 webinars a week, one on Monday, one on Wednesday, and one on Friday. But let's say you can't make them, the times are not suitable for you. Don't worry about it, because they're all recorded on YouTube. You can watch them at your convenience whenever it suits you. And you go back into and then we got training. First of all, this is the introduction, about 10-minute introduction training you should watch. And then we got a 90-day blitz, which gives you information for 90 days. And then you got your marketing material and the compensation plan. Now, this is a lot better to tell people to watch this video than trying to explain the compensation plan, because they'll never understand it. And this way they can watch it more than once to find out. And then here's some more deals. It just keeps getting better and better with these deals where you can save money. So it's definitely a worthwhile opportunity to get involved with. And then there shows you your earnings, and let's see, contact. And if you want more information from the company or me, you can contact us and ask them some more questions. I think that's about all I'm going to tell you for today. So if I miss anything, we'll catch you next week. Thank you for listening, and bye for now.